eti panipa memo akwaba
yaja
epom te saying
nyanko palum
udin de say free hin na baye
bacho mi free kumasi ya mi free patasie bacho ai
ahe fa patasie
anumaji patasie
okay wakosem ene sanya wodi abeda asem panipa say yemwa
me bacho masem ne say mi papa na ewu na yeye no be 2 years ni.
O papa de say
mi papa de Moses Nyonato
o free krobe so
bacho o free Volta region ma fi sasekpi
okay
aha na wowu yesi no be 2 years ni wowu yesu no na akonya na ye ko hanye ne 30 na ye ko hanye no sunu abuchapen na antua wenu sika no ya e ma na ye de
mu ya ye no okumase ya
bacho ye no Volta region
okay
ya na ye tua ye na ye tua yesu na o echicheni na ni death certificate na ekuta no say eji kwaji ni sika wa bank no abuchapen so wonfa mai nti ama mi ne million nya ye ba ku serebe ya me de ba SOMPA nipa no maka bia mai bacho nti na me ba ye
unua na aka no mo we
me bacho mo akra
na abusuapene mo papa yi ntoto ye no mo ema no mutua sika ni bi
me bacho poster ni na ye mana na ye de eye
empempi no ya na omutwabo se ema munkofa se imra se na mutua ye
me bacho no mintumi kwati etua sika
mutua sika
me bacho
na je se yi no mo anya mo abusua no so
me bacho de bi
canopy ni konwa nyina mo na mutua
me bacho
adaka so mo na mutua
me bacho ya na etoy atare papa mi papa shekwa di ko awi kwanya na pama tare ma no
ode ko asama do
me bacho
abusuapene adenti ene wo se wonfa death certificate ne mamo menti ase
mi papa ye yini ko baby fo ko kirade ho na ko yesu na se ba ko fa oba bi ho ba na ko fa no se ne papa ne nua no ye de ko fa no ho nti ono na wo ma ho ba ase one sa nkola no ne papa na ba ye ba ku agenzi ye nti na so won fa krata ne ye de e ma ye no
ti mo ma menko
mi ba cho
mo yesai
ba cho ye 7
na other side ono so yesai
ba cho mo ye 4
okay enti mu aba
mi ba cho
enti abusuapene no so gina hefo afa
ngrofo na fa
ekwa bi so no abusuapene so yesai krata no odi dimu abura sika no bi antumi nkoje
me pa cho saneti onu kwa omuko ho so omukwaji omuntimi je nye ni di no ho mi bra pen na mi mami di no ho nti o kacha mi bra nso won fa ne Ghana card bra na mi mami so fa ne Ghana card bra na mi bra kacha se wan ko tua 10 sika na we ni dia akwen sika ndia won fa Ghana card ne re ema nti wan ko tua ye na ye ko tua ye nti ya fa Ghana card ne re an ko ma no
o se na papa yi teacher ni
e ba cho
enti apart from their certificate dia nkrata keka ho nyina no wonya ni nyina
ba cho
akano
nko aye ko ye musise ye mfa no na ma wa mo fa sika ne re ema
no so ne dia dance ye se wa free
me ba cho
ekwa bi so no abro na wodie o papa wo ye krachi ni na minim wonne ne ma entam asem na sade hyehyeye no tie nie eye 100% eti se mo doso se mo no so no papa no na ebe chiche ne keten saa kuze ebedru 100% enti na busu apani ni kura na ne dinka ho abro na odie enti aye no ho brade modisika esie mo papa kama adenti na canopy ni konwa na busu apani wantu aka
o se adenti na ya mesi ya meda papa no anuani fi papa no so asini fi enti ye kokko ye ni kura ye ntokwa ye kunye pa enti o man si mi papa o man fa mi papa anda no ni de fio no si ye no yanda no edi ko ba fufo ama be ni ye di ni ko e ko light ni dumu ye na abucha pani so ni light ni feel light ni dumu ye mi papa fi nko na light ni de e wo bat yande dan wo enti mi na mi gina mi papa nche sa ma de echi abucha pani ko ba hwe mi papa ni ni ma hwe ni mi klapo se mi papa ni ye di free mu che ba na ma hwe ni ale ntem papa wi no o se won fa ni krata na ma ye o se ni krata wan ka se wo wu a cha de ma ye ni nua wo ho ni nua no so asesa no wa ye mre on to me kasa
abusu apeni no papa ntem te sai
o free crime ba no ha o chia no me niveau target me into me say ba ntokwa ni omuntem
panipa ewiaso hu bibia nkoka papa enye grede abusu apeni no ayiyo no mu anka sentia no
Oh, me ba show say one penisu say yandi dan no ya penisu yandi dan no the fee o say family no ne fee e na yesu yen penisu ene ntokwa no
tumuni ni nya ntokwa
me ba show
ekwa bisu no nkoda no se ka mokosre se abusua ayede ya papa da abusuam enti yesre wa yesre mo ke yepese ye deda no ye papa fie ifri se abusua na nkasa de omo abusua fie dada ananya abusua fie no mdeda no
nya abusua fie onu ani mi papa kasa sini dan wo ni papa fie ho no sini dan aya sase a otiso
ekwa bisu no se abusua no dem ena abusua no so ne na no ne abusua pani no enti ekwa bisu no na se ka mokokosre ka mo mapanimu bi de tu nanim se yepese ke kode dai papa e wo no ani fie ho mo anyi bibisa
ba cho ye meeting ka bibia waje tum afre chi no so wonji tum bi
mo ne mo nuanom so ntemte sei se mo nuano part 1 part 2 mo ntemte sei
ye good enti mi papa we kwap na mi bra pani kwa afro mo nyina se o mo bra ne nye baako na ko papa no kwaji certificate no ba se mi bra afre boy no a no sa fight akwa kire papa no se sisi na mi bra ye de aka
na chese mo ntemo ho
aha
de abaako fa akiri koteto
aha
ayasem no ka so won fama mo no mo abo awura busuanim aka akire pani bi
me ba cho mi mami abusha pani bi ya bona mane afre papa na aka akire mo so de be mai ya kwa o so won fama ti se ye di police for bechina na se ye di court sana o ka akire
papa
me ba cho
ti se on do vote ho
o Accra o do mi ba cho
oh ayasem eni kwaso wo yesa okay ya hwe ne no antwetwe nkomo o se producer na ni abre won phone no so ni abre papa ni abre ayasem sa snete sika no
SOMPA FM
ya nkoda sika o wo bia ni ho a wo bekwa homgiem se wo di din fufuro bi kwa akoye entitlement. Okay, hello pani pan pom te say
hello
o te say
boko
wunua wo free mu no
Moses Minato
Moses pani pa
the Twi language
o say
I don't hear the Twi language.
No, okay. I'm talking about your brother, your deceased brother. What has happened between you and his children?
You say what happened?
What has happened you between the children and you? I mean,
please may I know who is on the line?
SOMPA FM.
I'm for talking now, speaking from SOMPA TV, SOMPA FM.
You are stopping from where?
SOMPA TV, SOMPA FM Kumasi. Radio and TV station.
What have they mentioned to you?
One of your brother's son has reported to Asim Penipa, one of the hottest program in Kumasi, that you failed to give them the death certificate for them to claim the entitlement of their father.
So you want to know?
I want to know why have you seized the
Have you reported to the police?
No.
And then why you coming in?
Oh, apparently it's our duty to help other people in such cases. And I'm asking you, why have you seized the death certificate? Because they want to add to the other documents to claim their father's entitlement.
Thank you very much. What has he explained to you? What has he told you? Explain it to me before I give you the answer.
Upon what I've said, haven't you get any gist of what I'm trying to put across?
I'm not the only person. Family, listen very carefully.
I know you are not the only person, but you are the family head. That is why I want you to answer me.
Listen, I am the family head. It's correct. But before the family head take a decision, it is father and mother give birth to a child. Not so? Yes. So the family, the mother side and the father side, call all of them to meet at the village. The boys refused to turn up, but they sent a delegate, their senior sister. And upon discussing, the father did not give birth to only those people alone. They give birth to 14 people, different women.
Okay.
Listen carefully. Different women. And it's only those people, there's one family, they are coming forward. The other people are not known coming from. So in this regard, if anything comes out, can the other people involved inside? No.
SOMPA FM.
No, I don't know. But you are the best person to explain it to them. Now, these 14 people recently, one of them passed away. Those boys in the Kumasi, none of them turn up. And their senior sister also not turn up. It's only the one in the village plus one of them in Accra here. They came to the Sarah. And, well, that is better.
Hello, family head.
Yes?
My worry is they need the death certificate. Whether they are in 14 in number.
Listen.
Hello, let me pop in. Whether they are 14 in number, that doesn't mean that you have to keep the death certificate.
Hello.
SOMPA FM.
Hello.
I'm with you.
I'm coming over there. The family has taken decision upon all what they have told us. They say they went to 3 different places. Listen very well. They went to 3 different places to inquire of the death of their father. Those people. And they say one of the children, he killed their father.
Oh. Senior, what we are saying has nothing to do with whoever killed the father or that sort of. You understand? We are asking of the death certificate. Why have you keep it?
We don't keep it. We ask them that because of getting their Gino's brother, that you have killed our father. He is also his brother. So,
okay. Oko. Wama na me kame brofo nyina. Chese maintain your maybe by you Ghana. Papa Nawu, ye hear death certificate, you know.
Hello. Yes, the family has sat down and discussed and find them that they should bring one sheep to specify the other son, to specify the other son, so that they can release the documents to them.
SOMPA FM.
That is what.
So upon all your consultations, who killed your brother? Upon what you said, your consultation to your lesser gods, who killed your brother?
See, it is the hospital report that confirmed that this disease, diabetes, and he find it very difficult to urinate. These are the things that killed the father.
But family head, according to you, you said one of the children killed the father.
They are saying.
Who is saying
that they went and consult a fetish place
At where?
And they were told
SOMPA
that
FM.
one of them killed their own father.
Family head. What we are trying to do is the children want to claim the entitlement of their father.
The money is there for them. The documents are with me.
Okay.
If they have,
why don't you release the documents so that the children can go for their money?
I am not the only person who has buried their father.
If you are not the only person, they should consult
their father. It is from the mother side and the father side. So all the two of us met and discussed. So if I bypass those people and I release the documents to them, then where am I heading towards?
SOMPA FM.
So when are you releasing the documents to the children?
They are asking them to bring one sheep.
One what?
The other person.
One sheep.
Yes, sheep.
To do what?
But they say they consult a fetish house, and one of their own member, one of the son, he killed their own father.
And for that matter, are they bringing the sheep to specify the goals or what?
They are not specifying the family is to specify the one they have just said that he is the one who killed their father. That is that is the decision that we took.
You want to know the exact person who killed your brother, eh? You want to know the exact person who killed your father, your brother?
Look, in my part, we don't go to fetish places to find out who has killed this A or B. We depend on God, and they have taken that decision. So,
family head, what you are doing, is it in the Ghana Constitution?
This one is
that after the father has gone, the entitlement, you want to seize the paper for what?
Constitutional matter. Please, it is not a constitutional matter.
So uniform. No, Penipa. Brofo de na oko chechim.
SOMPA FM.
Pani, o papa nua no.
Mebacha.
O te do okeka na kakra.
Mebacha meti.
Wo say gisamo de odwan bi ba. Na ye di ko hu abosom. Mo aboa mo ho sa akwa no so.
Mebacha ye Christopher yentua.
O say
ye Christopher nti emphasize
we say de wo okeka no ekwa bi so no ya to masum kakra ma adwinim kakra. Ekwa bi so e se votarians no kwa bi so no omo aginwoma bi di pa nya asem ketwa. Okay,
me ba cho anya mamre na wede ope opare mi bra na woti ase no onu on pekasa kula enti bibia e fa no so si e banya no
na munua ba ko awu
minua ba ko awu
moko ayie no
o mi sister no mo nkran no mo na kwenti jisika
na mo kuma se for mo mo anko
mi bra nkwa no
na kwa bi so de so bom ko adu
ye yanko nti disika ma mo se mo ko
ade na mo anko
o se lodo fenti e free akoko lodo fen no wan se mo wodi
debi
nti
kwa bi so no se wunua pa firim aha ne nkran pa de enko
enye nkran e voter
mo ha no mo yese kuma mo yese
ye tu o mama kanyina won nkran nti o mu na akoye nti ye wo kuma sin kwa na yanko nti ye disika ma mo so mo fanko nti jisa
na munua no amo aka no se dem di kan busa awo no ekwa be na mo be fa so akoko akoje death certificate no weze mo ka mo bom
enna ye pese ka hubum a na kitwa na didi mi blatem ena mi friend ka say arent na odidi mi blatem una wo se mi blaku papa enye wo mu na wo ku papa enna mi ko kan ya na akofa se mi nyina ere e ba ye si maka cha mi nua kitwa so no ne ko ni papa nti sɛ yɛtɔ odwan bɛpata no asa na mode certificate no dɛ amae
and sɛ no ɔso opu odwan na ɔso so ɔpaare no and me brofo kakra ka mama maka ni nyina